Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 12 by 16 inch canvas that I have primed with mead and black paint, and this is a scoop with a flat bottom that I found. And I'm going to do some odd stuff for me. I'm going to put a dirty scoop together with Deco-Art Americana 24 karat gold and some iridescent pearl from Deco-Art, a little black iris, which is just a blue-gray. I don't know how this is going to work. I haven't done anything like this for a long time, if I've ever done it at all. This is Deco-Art silver, iridescent silver, and this first scoop will tell the tale. This is Aztec bronze. I've got a Tuscan gold, I think it is, if it'll come out. I wasn't thinking I could get everything into one scoop, but maybe I can. I might have to put a puddle of black down underneath so I can add it to it, and then I can swipe. This is, I can't remember, this is chestnut brown, I believe. No, it's Van Dyke brown. I'm not even going to try and squeeze it out of the top. Come on out. Super thick. Got maybe more of that than I wanted. Put it over there to rest. I've got ginger peach. Indigo teal, I think. Yes, that's it exactly. And I've got my cell activators out, and I'm going to add a little bit of orange crush. It's a because I can moment. Although it occurs to me I didn't add any of this burnished copper, which looks much more pretty when it's dry. That might be enough. That might be a clot that needs to come out of there. Now that I'm here, I want another color. Go figure. I've got Midnight Shadow. Hopefully that shake will be enough. Alright, so what's next? Do I use gold or black and white? Or maybe all of the above? I want to be able to have the cell activator be pretty heavy and go the distance. I don't know why you needed to know that. Now I can add anything again that I need more of. I didn't add any of this iridescent gold from Golden. I kind of want some. And here goes nothing. My colors are open. Maybe I'll just tip this. Kind of want to drain. I think I have a small, I'm not sure it's small enough. Looks like I didn't clean up. I've got a silicone brush I'll try and use it to get the rest of the paint out, because I refuse to rinse that out. And after I tip it for a second and see what it looks like, it looks kind of weird with that green color in there. Not sure I'm in love with that. Let's just put that down there and throw these in the bucket. Alright, I've got a spatula, but I'm going to wait on it for a minute. I might put some more black down so it'll have roaming room. I'm not sure I'm in love with that big swath down the middle I left. I kind of want a color I didn't use, which is marooned if it'll come out. Now I should have an edge catcher handy, and I probably do, but I haven't grabbed it. I can certainly wreck this if I want to. And if I'm going to swipe, it might be time to decide to do that. Let's see where it takes us. Although now I want Dancing Fuchsia Cell Activator, which I might use with white and black. We won't know until we try. I've got gold too, but there doesn't seem to be much point in that right now. The cell activator recipe is listed underneath the video. That's kind of pretty. I might be tempted to put a little more color down. I wish I hadn't thrown that brush in the bucket, but wow. Take my excess paint and use it. So I want a little more black. And a little more gold. It could be white. Maybe it should be white. And yesterday when I did a painting, I added some cell activator after the initial swipe. I think this needs to have some help as well. So if I'm going to do that, I'm going to look at the turquoise. It might be green when I blow on it. See how far we can stretch things. Thinking I want a little more of that Atelier Cobalt Turquoise. You need a short edge catcher. It's got some gorgeous cells in there. I might want to tip it the other way. I also want to grab some of that paint right off the edge catcher. I was just saying the other day, sometimes the fuggliest looking color combinations can be the most interesting. I'm going to try some of the gold cell activator. I've got time, I think. Could have been white. Got one little spiral. Thinking about adding some white down here, but I also kind of like the solid purple. Just going to keep playing. Maybe need to tip. I was going to use white alone. I really could swipe. I want to tip it down. I used to call these sweeps. So we're going to let everything flow down for a minute. Stretch out. I like all that. I might want to blow into this a little bit too. Take a little bit more of the paint that's stuck on my brush, put it right down there in that corner. I like the funky shapes. I thought I might want to do something with that in there, but if I do, it might just be to fill it in with black, and I don't see the point because it's already black. I am going to make this black show up, hopefully by using the white that's close to it. Just add a little something. And then I'm going to torch. And am I done? A little more dancing fuchsia. Come on out. Whoa, that's not what I had in mind. There's a lot more than I anticipated. I love exposing the colors that are underneath. Oh, I found the paint on the wrong end of the straw. Yuck. If I want to add any spirals, this is the time before I torch. Okay, I'm going to torch. Am I? That's hard. I want more turquoise. I don't think I heard anything. That's good. When you do your spirals, just twist the end when you get to the center. And I do use GAC 800 by Golden, 10% in all my mixes. The recipe is under the video. Those are some gorgeous colors. I might put one more spiral in there, you never know. Could happen. Especially right there. Right there. Hi, this is Priscilla. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you'd like to be super helpful, please join the membership. My art is for sale. I'm here to help. If you have questions, feel free to ask. I have 2 books on paint pouring. They're found in the Amazon link, and the Amazon link is found on the link tree in the description underneath the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you come again. Bye for now. Priscilla out.